If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Before you track costs for projects in QuickBooks Online, ensure the Track Expenses and Items by Customer toggle switch in the Bills and Expenses section of the Expenses category in the Account and Settings window is set to the On position. Also, to bill for expenses and items, ensure the adjacent Make Expenses and Items Billable toggle switch is set to the On position, and set any adjacent default markup and tracking information as desired. Then save the settings by clicking the Save button at the bottom of this section and close the window. To track project costs in QuickBooks Online, select the name of the billable customer or project from the Customer/Project column within the Line Item area in any expense, check, bill, and/or purchase order for the customer or project as needed. Alternatively, you can also create many of these purchasing transactions directly from a project's details page to automatically record the information in this column in the transactions form. For costs recorded as part of a process or ones entered independently from the project details page, like when creating a purchase order from an estimate, you must simply remember to select the value from the Customer/Project field when creating the transaction. This tracks the line item's cost to the project or customer you select. Additionally, if needed, to mark any of these customer or project costs as billable to the selected customer or project. Check the adjacent Billable Columns checkbox within the Line Items row. However, note this column doesn't appear in the Purchase Order window, as purchase orders do not affect accounts until they are converted into a bill. However, it does appear within the bill window when copying or adding information from a purchase order to a bill, so make sure to select it there if needed. After entering the remainder of the form's information, then save it as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.